In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pong in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find and load the Pong indicator onto your chart and how to get yourself set up the right way inside TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process will be the same. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it sits above the chart area. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the main Indicators panel, which is where you can search for and add different tools to your chart. When the Indicators window appears, you'll notice several tabs and sections. At the top, there's a search bar, and below that you'll see different categories like built-ins, community scripts, and sometimes your favorites or recently used indicators. Make sure you're focused on that top search area because that's where we're going to type in the name of the tool we want. In the search bar, type the word Pong. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators that match what you've entered. You should see results appear in a list underneath. Look through the list for the Pong indicator you're trying to use. When you've found it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, Pong will be added directly to your active chart. After it loads, take a moment to look at how Pong displays on your screen. Depending on how the script is designed, you might see additional lines, signals, or overlays on the price chart. If you want to adjust how it looks or fine-tune its behavior, you can usually do that by hovering over the indicator's name at the top left of the chart and clicking on the settings icon. From there, you can change inputs like lengths or sensitivity, as well as visual options such as colors and line thickness. This helps you adapt Pong to your personal trading style. If you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and faster data, check out the affiliate link provided in the video description. Using that link is an easy way to get access to the Pro features while supporting the channel at the same time. That's all there is to it. You open your chart, click on Indicators, use the search bar to find Pong, add it to your chart, and then customize it to match your trading approach.